So now
Yeah.
in our team, we've got UX designers because we've really understood that actually to get adoption, it has to be an excellent customer experience or user experience. And I think that's one of the things that we maybe have struggled with in the past, that you can have a fantastic model, it's super smart, it's amazing, but if it's not exactly what the business need, or it's not quite filling the gap that's there,
Mm,
it's essentially worthless.
yeah. Agreed. I'm glad to hear you say that you've got, designers in your team, because, that's the missing piece, I think, in many organizations at the moment. And I would say that's a good sign of maturity as well, which is like, I think that at the moment, a lot of this stuff is being approached from a technical perspective
Mm,
because, and completely understandably, you absolutely have to have technical skills to build any AI solution of any description for any organization. And so, and also those that have technical skills are the ones that are able to get access to the tools to build more stuff. And it's really exciting for everyone around that. And so the whole kind of industry and community is being really driven by the technical kind of community.
mm,
I remember seeing a post the other week, and it said that success with AI is 5% AI and 100% engineering. And I remember reading that and I thought, right, so 0% design. There's no consideration for
mm,
the end user at all. Is that right? Because it seems to me at least, as though any solution that's got a user of any description, the needs of that user should be central to everything.
mm,
And the validation of the ability to meet those needs should also be central to everything. And the
yeah,
way that you meet those needs is in the creation of the experience. And, to
yeah,
use the sort of like Steve Jobs' infamous phrase of start with the experience and work back to the technology, it feels
mm,
as though that's kind of where we need to be, is that, like, this is what the experience needs to be like, this is an example of what we want it to be, and now let's figure out how we have the technology be in service of the experience so that the needs of the user are met.